Driving is not an easy task, especially for women in Pakistan due to lack of traffic control, bad roads condition with crowded areas. A lot of people face daily traffic while going to the office and home. As per research, the ratio of women driving in Pakistan is increasing day by day, and we hope that women will travel easily and be safe on the roads as men. Here is a list of the top best car for women in Pakistan that help women choose the best one for themselves, that provide comfortable driving with easy handling in traffic. Toyota Vitz. Toyota Vitz is one of the most popular Toyota hatchbacks amongst ladies in Pakistan. Large units of Vitz are imported from Japan and more advanced in uplifting design and performance to its competitors. It is a highly suitable car for girls and ladies due to its mid-size, easy handling, flexibility, sharp impressive exterior look, and more fuel efficient. Toyota Vitz is a reliable auto transmission, wide range of handling features, and a friendly and spacious interior, and comes with 3 or 5 door options, but 5 doors are mostly preferred.